Welcome to Leicester Telephone Engineers, your local family-run business providing telecom services for both domestic and commercial clients. What we do: telephone socket extensions and repairs, broadband socket fault diagnostics and repairs, computer network cabling services, and telephone system installation services for both domestic and commercial. Reasons for choosing us: quick response call-out time, cheaper telecom rates than the leading telecom providers, no call centre, it's a family-run business. Over 20 years in the trade. Here is the area we cover in the Midlands for both domestic and business clients. Call today on 07903 585 232 or go to leicestertelephoneengineer.co.uk. Thank you.